I welcome you to my first video from my garage, where at the moment I don't have a proper bike stand, so this desk is going to have to do. It's currently chucking it down and I'm feeling a bit under the weather myself. Recently I did this to my dropper post lever, so while the weather is tragic, I'm going to fix it myself. And if you were wondering how this happened, well, here's the video. To be fair, my bike withstood the fall really well, so there's nothing else to worry about. I just had to realign the handlebars, that's it. So for this repair, I'm going to need Allen keys, assembly grease, wire cutters which also act as a pair of pliers, and I also got a new cable. So of course we're going to have to remove the grips and brake lever from the bars first. Then I had to take the old lever off the brake lever mount, so that can be deported. This can get re-screwed. Oh! Now, as to concern of this, we've now got to try and find a way of, which turned out to be not as easy as I thought. What? Those. It's actually not easy to break, this isn't. Hello Freddy! I'm currently fixing my bike and making a video. Snip! I need something that will cut this. I'll tell you what, I'll take the dropper post out and I'll sort it that way. So unfortunately my camera's card ran out of storage, so I had to switch to the GoPro so the audio isn't as good. Ready here on the FaceTime, fixing the bike in GoPro mode, not on the jog. Right, gotta sort out the seat. Find an Allen key that fits the seat post. Get out, you little... Oh, for God's sake. I then spent ages trying to get the dropper post out. It won't come out because of the fact that the wire's in the way. Everything couldn't go worse, to be honest. It's I don't want to lose the cable though. Oh my god, it's so greasy. I'm gonna get another dirty cloth to wipe the dirt off my dirty hands. That needs a wipe down, I'm sorry. Oh, nothing will cut the wire. Yeah, I do, but they're not cutting it because it won't go far enough in it to get the leverage. There we go. Just got a whole seat post in my hand. Get out. Ah, that makes sense. What? I don't know what I'm doing, if I'm going to be honest. After getting the dropper post out, I spent about 15 minutes trying to force the old cable out, so I just gave up and put the new wire in. The wire is coming out.
Yeah.
The wire is coming out. The wire is out. There's no longer a wire in my seat post. Now to put the new wire in, I guess. Okay, so I got the cable going through the seat post end, and it's coming out the other end. This is the point where we get the new lever and we open it up. So personally, I think the lever is quite expensive for what it is, but in fairness it does feel very high quality compared to the ones I have previously used. I've got 10 minutes to do this. No, not that one, this one.
There we go.
Well, it's now going into the lever is working. Ow, they're really sharp. This has gone inside my finger. Do I?
Yeah, just because they broke it.
Oh, shit. I've just found out how you've done it, but it's also launched everything out of it in the process. And I just heard it go flying across the room. Oh my god. Yes! Jesus is on my side. That's a bit cringy, really. Okay, time to call Freddy back. So now I've got to get this wire in to the bottom of the seat post mount using this little Jeremy here. Right, okay, I think that's plausible. Right, okay. What you can have to do with that? Oh my god! It's so nice! The lever is so nice to use. Press this, as you do. So after a while I managed to get the lever fitted. From what experience I've had with it, it has felt really good. Unfortunately, the combination of bad weather and illness has led to the lack of riding, which meant I haven't had the chance to use it properly and give a full review. So this Sunday I'm going to go for a ride and give you my honest opinion in a video. But for now that's all I've got, so I'll see you in the next video. Happy riding!
What did you hit?
Huh?
Did you hit any of them?
Yeah, at the first one, didn't do that gap.
Nice. That was really good.